Notice how we added our JavaScript directly in the HTML code, and this is allowed, but just like CSS, we can put our JavaScript in an external file. So to do that, I want to create a new file, and I'm going to save this as a JS file. I'm going to just call it functions.js and save it. I'm saving it exactly where my HTML file is. And you can do a path, so you can save it in an assets folder if you want to. So now I can move this code, so this JavaScript code, I'm going to take it out of here and I'm going to put it in this JS file. And now notice in here I don't need to say I'm speaking JavaScript, because since it's in a JS file, it automatically knows that you're speaking JavaScript. Now what I need to do here is to say, okay, there's nothing here, but I'm going to connect this to a source file. So I'm still going to leave my opening and closing script tags, but now I'm going to say the source is functions.javascript. So I'm going to actually refer to that file. And now so notice I haven't spoke any JavaScript here. I put it all in a file. And now when I refresh, it does exactly the same thing. That prompt works. You gather that information, say okay, it stores it in a variable, and then it prints it out in that alert function. So it's executing just the same as if it were actually contained in there. Now, when using an external file, it's very common to put this script tag in the head section, just like we do with the link tag for CSS files. So we can add it here, and now when we refresh, it pops up, it asks what my name is, and we say okay, and there we're set. Okay. Another place that we can store it, another common place, is instead of in the head, is at the very bottom of the very end of the body. And notice in this particular case, it doesn't actually matter where we store it. In each case, it's working the same. We will see later that location actually does make a difference, but for now it doesn't actually make a difference.